Hello guys, today guys I am going to evolve my Paris cat. Yeah guys, I'm going to evolve in my first true form cat. Let's go guys. Okay guys, this will be so cool. Now let's evolve him. What's it gonna be? Hey yo, enchants. Cyborg cat. Hey. Sure, sure. I'm so happy. Let's go. My first true form cat. And yeah, guys. And by the way, I'm going to evolve Jurassic Cat Sitter next. Yeah, to Catasaurus because it looks so cool. Look at that cute dinosaur. Sheesh, look at that cute dinosaur. I'm gonna evolve him next, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna evolve him. Okay. Now let's test Cyborg Cat. Who should I replace? Should I replace? I think I should replace Cat Sitter Cat. Yeah, I'm gonna replace him. Okay, okay, okay. Let's arrange. Okay, let's just arrange it. Okay, I'm gonna test this on Chapter 3 Moon. Yeah, we're gonna beat Bun with Cyborg Cats. Oh wait, I wrong button. Okay, Moon. Let's go. Okay, we're here. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna stall, okay guys, we're gonna stall. We're gonna put some meat shields. We're gonna upgrade this to level 6. Yeah. We're gonna put this to level 6. This is the first layer. I'm gonna upgrade our worker cat to level 6. I hope my Mitchell dies. So yeah. Okay, it died. Second farm. I mean second station. Okay. This is going pretty well. Okay, it's level 6 now, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm going to save up some money, then go layer third station. After my Mitchell dies, I'm going to spam my Paris cat. Okay, it's dead. I'm gonna spawn one. Okay, okay guys, time to spam now. Wait, we put some meat shields first. Okay, wait, ayun na. Okay guys, let's go. Spam now. Spam cyborg. Spam cyborg. Spamming cyborg. Let's go. Spam him. I mean her. Spam her. We're gonna spam her. Okay, okay. We're doing pretty good. Let's go. We're doing pretty good. Okay, okay. Okay. Kill the kangaroo. Kill. Okay, it died. Okay. Kill the red cell. Kellet. Cyborg. Bro, I'm so happy, bro. I got my first cyborg. I mean, my first true form cat. Like, bro, I mean, look at this. Look at this, bro. It's so beautiful. True form cat. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yay, bro, look at this beautiful army. Okay, okay. There's some sparkles too when they attack. Oh no, here comes the boss. Kill Ban. I mean, Ban does single attack, so yeah, we're good. Kill Ban. Kill Ban. Okay. Blood's not standing a chance. This he's gonna die. Blood is not stooding any chance to Cyborg Cat. This is literally goated. Nah, bro. Wait. Okay, knockback. Knockback. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. Wait. I might die. No. No, I won't die. I'm a Cyborg Cat. Pew. No. Don't die, Cyborg Cat. Kill Banban. Don't die. Don't die. Duh. No. No, wait. No, wait. I got this. Nah, bro. Banban's pushing us back. Kill. Let's go. Let's go. We killed Banban. Let's go. Wala pala si Banban sa atin. Blood Banban didn't stood the chance. Blood Cyborg Cat solos. She solos Banban. Go. Now the main thing is to kill the base. Yes. Go. Go. Spam. Spam. Okay, let's go. Nah, bro, he does a lot of damage. How much is that? 20k per hit. Nah. Blood is too OP. Is that 20k? Yeah. How many damage? 20k, yeah. Yeah, 20k like that. Okay, bro, the base stooding no chance. Let's go. Blood, the base doesn't stand a chance. Bro, this is, by the way, guys, is this good to evolve to true form? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it to my memory. That's it. I killed them. I finished it. Okay, let's claim this. Okay, let's go back. Ano to? Oh, never mind. Kala meron pa. Tsaka, and by the way, guys, I'm almost going to evolve Sexy Legs, guys. Almost going to evolve him. I might make a video about him too. So yeah, let's go. And I'm going to evolve Jurassic Cat Sitter next video. Need only these things.